Hey everyone, Vincent Wynn from The Gadgeteer. My desk is an absolute cable nightmare when it comes to cable management. I've got everything everywhere. In a way, it still is a nightmare looking-ish, but when you see how organized I have everything going into one docking station, which is the MOKiN 13-in-1, you'll understand why I am absolutely in love with this product. It handles everything from charging to connecting to my portable storage, to connecting to my Arrow router, powering, and it's only one cable going into my MacBook Pro. But wait, there's more because, well, let me just show you. Let's turn the camera around and let's take a look. All right, everyone. Everything you see on my desk right here is all connected to the MOKiN 13-in-1 right here. Even the router is connected to the MOKiN 13-in-1. My iPad is charging. My MacBook Pro is charging. My iPhone Air is charging. The Arrow is connected through Ethernet cable. The giant Lenovo Rollable laptop is also connected, and it's powered by the MOKiN 13-in-1 docking station, and also my storage. And check this out. This is the Insta360 Wave and the Link camera. But wait, there's more. If you look behind me, you'll see a giant 100-inch TV. That's a 4K TV that is being streamed by this gadget that connects to an HDMI powered by the MOKiN 13-in-1, streamed directly to my 100-inch TV. Take a good look here. How amazing is that? And oh, and by the way, I'm also connected just by one cable. That's this here, Thunderbolt 3, into my MacBook Pro. I'm also getting data from my router, power as well, and it's connecting everything, including the storage drive and my Insta360 Wave and Link camera. This is why I absolutely love this device. It just completely blows me away.